Mouth-watering. Very delicious or tasty. The pizza looks mouth-watering. She made a mouth-watering chocolate cake. Well-known. Famous or popular. He is a well-known actor. This restaurant is well known for its pizza. Deep fried. Food that is cooked in a lot of hot oil. I love deep-fried chicken. The fries were deep-fried and crispy. Green-eyed. Feeling jealous. He was green-eyed when I got a prize. My brother gets green-eyed when I get extra candy. Well off. A person who has a lot of money. They are well off and live in a big house. A well-off person can afford luxury items. Long-faced. A person who looks sad or unhappy. She looked long-faced after the exam. He was long-faced when he lost the game. High speed. Very fast. The train runs at high speed. He bought a high-speed bike last week. Bad-tempered. A person who gets angry or annoyed easily. He is bad-tempered in the morning. My boss is sometimes bad-tempered. Well-dressed. A person who wears neat and proper clothes. He is always well dressed and confident. She is always well dressed for work. Well behaved. Someone who is polite and follows rules. She is always well behaved in school. The children were well behaved at the party. Warm-hearted. A person who is kind, caring, and friendly. My grandmother is very warm-hearted and loving. He gave a warm-hearted smile to everyone.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!